Tired of hitting a low balance in your Paysafe wallet and wondering, how do I top this thing up? You're in the right place. Paysafe is a fantastic, secure way to handle your online purchases without linking your bank account or credit card. It's all about prepaid simplicity. But once that balance dips, you need to know the fastest, easiest way to refill it and get back to your online gaming, entertainment, or shopping. Today, we're focusing on the simple, go-to methods for topping up your existing Paysafe wallet account, often referred to as My Paysafe. This is where you pool your codes and manage your funds. The main way to top up your My Paysafe wallet is by using a prepaid Paysafe code, which you'll need to purchase first. You have a couple of options here, buying a physical voucher or buying a code online. First up, the classic method, buying a Paysafe code in a store. You can pick up a physical Paysafe code voucher at thousands of retail outlets worldwide, think gas stations, supermarkets, and kiosks. Use the Paysafe sales outlet locator on their website or app to find the nearest location. Once you buy the voucher, you'll receive a receipt with a 16-digit PIN code. This is your prepaid cash. Second, the convenient option, buying a Paysafe code online. Many official online resellers allow you to purchase a Paysafe code directly using a debit card, bank transfer, or other local payment methods. You will receive the 16-digit PIN code directly via email, usually instantly. This is often the quickest way to get a new code. Okay, so you've got your 16-digit PIN code. Now for the top-up. Step 1. Log into your My Paysafe account. You can do this on the Paysafe website or through the mobile app. Step 2. Look for the option to add money or top up. On the main account dashboard, there's usually a clear field or button for adding funds using a code. Step 3. Enter the 16-digit PIN code from your purchased voucher or online receipt into the designated field. Step 4. Click Add or Confirm. The credit from the code is instantly transferred to your My Paysafe wallet balance. It's that easy. Your new balance will reflect the top-up, and you're ready to start spending online securely again. Remember, topping up with a code allows you to pool multiple vouchers and spend larger amounts than if you were just paying directly with an unregistered voucher. Some regions may also offer additional options like Paysafe Direct or bank transfers, but the 16-digit PIN remains the universal and most popular method for instant top-ups. Just make sure your account is fully verified to access all features and higher limits. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.